Hey kids, welcome to the channel. Today we will learn about sentence. What is a sentence? So let's start the video. What is the sentence? Its structure and type of sentence. A group of words which make complete sense is called sentence. Sentence is a group of words. For example, I like apples. The sun is bright. She has a cat. A sentence should be start with capital letter and end with a mark. It can be full stop, question mark, exclamatory mark. Pronoun should be capital. Types of sentence: declarative, imperative, interrogative, and exclamatory. Declarative sentence: declare any statement. Sentence are declarative sentence. Imperative are order giving or advice giving sentences. Interrogative are questions. And exclamatory have exclamation mark. Now example declarative sentences. The sun rises in the east. She is reading a book. They went to the market yesterday. All these sentences are declarative. They are giving statement. Imperative sentence. Close the door. Please help me with my homework. Sit down quickly. It shows order and request. Interrogative sentences. What is your name? Where do you live? Are you coming to school today? All these sentences are showing question, so it have question mark in the end. Next is exclamatory sentence. What a beautiful day. Wow, this is amazing. How fast he ran. All these sentences have exclamatory mark in the end. So subscribe the channel